Every food has its shape, but sometimes these shapes aren't very obvious. Welcome to the Geometric Shape Food Challenge on DaRaDa. I'll be first. Oh no! Don't look!
Come on!
Let's open already. But there's a cactus. I don't want to eat cactus. It's so prickly. Hey! Now my whole mouth is covered in needles, and I didn't even get one bite.
Ow! Come on!
Don't whine, eat faster. First, I need to get rid of these needles. That's it! I can get rid of these needles right now. I can cut them with normal scissors. Not bad, great idea. What did you think? I'm super smart. Ew, how gross. Turns out the needles aren't the problem. The taste is way worse. Ew, Mary, now the whole room smells. Whatever, open yours. Just look at this delicious ice cream. I want to eat it now. Stop, don't eat anything. Why? Because the ice cream is round. And who has round food? I do. So you don't get to eat these scoops. They're mine. How tasty.
What a fuck!
So it's like that. I'm gonna get you. How do you like your ice cream with some hot air? What now? How do you like that ice cream? I, of course, wanted to eat it like it is, but Mary won't let me. So now I'm gonna have to get mean. What happened? Why did my ice cream melt? It's because it's mine. See? The triangle cone. Now all this ice cream is mine. Looks tasty. Of course it is. What are you looking at, Chelsea?
Come on!
Only you left. That's right. How lucky. What a surprise. Just look at this big appetizing sandwich. There's so many delicious ingredients. It tastes like a dream. Melts in my mouth. What's dripping? Think ketchup.
What?
Come on. And it's so tasty. I need to get that sandwich. And I know how. What's with you, Mary? Me? Nothing. You guys figured that out, and this sandwich is mine. Look what Clarissa's doing to your food. Hey you! What are you doing? What? This sandwich is mine. See? It's a triangle. So it can't be yours. Got it? That means you decided to start a war. Well, you're gonna get a war. We'll see how you like this now. This is such a good sandwich. Oh, but there's something wrong! Help! Help! Come on, drink! And there's spicy sauce in the bottle. What have you done to me? Girls, don't fight. I'll be first. Look at this delicious cake.
Come on!
What do I have?
What?
Oh, Korean noodles. This is weird, but probably tasty. I got super lucky. I told you. I have such a tasty and appetizing pizza. And I'll eat first. Stop! See? You have berries on your cake, and they're round, so that means they're mine. So give them here.
What?
Berries? Round? So we're gonna be looking at everything now. Well, fine. Here are your berries. Catch!
Ow.
That mess looks great on you. Laugh all you want. Now the berries are mine.
What?
And I have tasty frosting. And a tasty cake. By the way, there's berries inside too. But I ate those. Very tasty. Mary, now it's your turn. That's it! I actually got really hungry, and these pieces of pizza are gonna be great. Pieces?
Wow.
That's it! They're in a triangle shape. All triangles are mine, so give me my pizza. No, I won't. It's mine. Don't even think about it.
No.
I'm thinking about it. Give it here.
What?
Hey! Hey!
Oh no!
Why are you fighting and I have to suffer? Not fair. But this pizza is still mine. Got it? I don't care whose pizza it is. It's all your fault, Mary. How could you? Thanks to you, I dropped my pizza. I'm gonna get you. Take that. And that. Enough! I hope it'll be tasty. Ah! We're gonna drown in noodles! Save us!
What?
Whose fault is this? Mary? You broke everything. Hey, these noodles aren't half bad. I like it. She's crazy, eating dry noodles.
What's the matter with you?
Let's open on 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Hooray! I'm lucky. Skittles.
Ooh la la.
Me too. Hubba bubba.
Oh!
I have a carrot. That's really weird.
Okay.
Agreed. Well, I'll eat first. First, I need to get rid of the wrappers. I did that fast. Now I need to fit all the gum in my mouth.
Cool.
But I don't want this to be too boring. So I'm gonna throw these up and catch them in my mouth. Whoa, you're a real pro. Thanks, girls. But that's not all. Time to blow a bubble. Not funny. That was just the first try. Thanks to you, I lost my gum. Ew, it's all in hair. I can't chew this. How gross. Well, it was still cool. Mary, your turn.
Okay.
Finally. I've dreamed of Skittles my whole life. So great that I got lucky. I love these candies. They're so bright and tasty. Why don't I do this in a way so that everyone can see the candy?
Come on!
Now you can watch and be jealous of my candy. It's really, really tasty.
Ooh la la.
So you want us to be jealous? You call yourself a friend. I know how to get you back. Stop! No! No! Achoo! Oh, I didn't mean that. Sorry.
What? What?
It's fine. At least now we can try the Skittles. Yeah, this turned out to be fun. I like it. But Clarissa still has a whole carrot. Eat.
Come on!
Fine, I'll try. This carrot is really tasty. Now I know why bunny rabbits like it so much.
Cool.
Oh,
What?
there's something wrong. Ah! It was a poison carrot. Now I'm an evil bunny. I'll eat you all, not the carrot. Ah! Bunny attack! Let's go run! Scaredy cats. It was just a mask.
What?
Weird. Where's that smoke coming from? I think it's coming from here. Of course! It's fresh waffles. What do you have?
Come on!
I have a watermelon. And it's huge. Ah! My pepper! And it's not small. Whoa, cool. That means you try.
Come on!
No, please. It's so spicy. Let's hope everything will be okay.
Okay.
That's not enough. Bite more. Dang. More, even more. Maybe that's enough. I feel sick. That looks scary. I'm on fire, help! Don't burn us, be careful. I think it's done. I can eat. Ah, my waffle! This is all Clarissa's fault. We need to put you out. Give me that watermelon. Where? What will I eat? Ooh, that's much better. Finish your watermelon. There's nothing left. Oh, no, there is. Cool. That means I can take a bite. I don't have anything left.
Hooray!
Don't touch the lid.
Excuse me?
This time, I'm gonna go first. Not bad! What an appetizing burger! I could eat the whole thing.
What?
Okay, Mary, now you open yours.
Oh no!
Oh no! These are worms! They're so gross! How can I eat these? I don't know how you eat worms, but I know how I'm gonna eat this burger. It's so juicy. Mary, do you want some? Yeah, of course I do.
Please.
Thank you! Everyone wants some, but it's mine. I can do this without you. I was right. This burger is just delicious. How are the worms? Tasty?
Please.
I still haven't tried.
Come on!
Maybe I don't need to eat them. Oh, I can't even hold them in my hands. Calm down. I know what you need. Chopsticks. Yeah, thanks. The worms are not going to taste any better.
Gross!
Of course not. That's not the point. Less talking, more eating.
Come on!
Hope I don't get sick.
Okay.
Ew, that looks terrible. Of course. I'm eating worms. I think it was trying to run away.
Hey, you! What?
Oh, I can't stop myself.
Hey, you.
How gross, it's in my hair.
Oh no!
Oh, burger. You didn't share with me. But I have no problem sharing my worms with you. I think you're gonna like them. You're so mean, you ruined my hair. But I still have a whole burger. Enjoy your meal.
Okay.
How weird. What is that? What's crawling? What is that? How gross! It's your old friend the worm. Tasty.
Oh no!
Is my whole burger covered in this trash? What? No! Anything but that! I'm gonna throw up. I'm sick. What do I have? Oh, pink Nutella. Cool. This is lucky.
Wow.
I think I also have something tasty waiting. Weird. What is that sound coming from?
Okay.
Ah! It's a fly or a bee or just a bug. I won't eat this. Get that away from me. You will eat it. You need to. Come on, you first. Me? But why? I don't want to. I hope this doesn't bite me. Ah! It bit me! That hurts! Terrible! Look what you've done! Now it's on my Nutella! Take it away! Come here. Maybe I can still try it.
Come on!
But I doubt it.
Hey,
You? No, I won't.
Oh!
You only made it worse for me. Now it's on my head. Don't worry. I'll fix this in a second. I'll hit the fly with the fly swatter. What? No! Don't! Oops. I think I tried too hard. Mary, are you alive? How are you? Thanks for not killing me. You're so mean. It was an accident. Sorry. At least there's no flies. Now I can finally eat my Nutella. Cool. This Nutella isn't bad at all. I've never tried the pink kind. And it turns out it's the most delicious. Now I'll only eat this kind. There's still a drop left. I can even lick the jar. Have you seen your face? It's covered in the paste.
What?
Oh?
What?
Have you seen what's there? What's on your head? No? What's there? Again, that fly! I thought I killed it! Turns out no. Don't worry. I'll take care of that fast.
Oh no!
One hit of the fly swatter, and it'll be done. Take that!
Oh!
Do you know how much that hurts? Why, you? How could you? Yeah, that really hurts. Hooray, I won, so I'll open first. Not bad. It's a lollipop. How cool. Do you like it, Diana?
Come on!
Okay.
What did you get, Diana? Let's find out. Oh, mussels. I hate them.
Come on!
Come on, Mary. If you're so lucky, you should get to eating your lollipop first. Oh, I didn't notice that the wrapper was flying right at you. Come on, don't be mad. It was just an accident. Look at this lollipop I have. Not bad, and she's bragging. I'll ruin the taste for you fast. How do you like sour Chupa Chups? How tasty. Oh, why so sour? Ew.
Hey!
You should brag less. So you ruined my lollipop. Take that. Ew. Now I'm covered in your drool. Gross. Come on, get over it.
Ouch.
I don't have enough strength. I need help. I think a drill will help me.
Wow.
This is way more tasty and faster. Not bad, cool plan. I know. But now my tongue is on fire. Help, fast. Yeah, I know, I'll help. Here. Thanks so much. I couldn't have done it without you. Now you eat your mussels. Enjoy your meal. Already? They're so gross. They just sit in dirty water and smell bad. Oh, I hope it's not too nasty.
Ew, gross!
Oh, I'm gonna vomit. Ew. Get that away from me. Oh, flew away.
Oh!
Take your trash and eat it yourself.
Ew, gross!
That's impossible. This is a nightmare. I understand, but you still have a whole plate. According to the rules, you have to eat it. I'll support you. You're so mean. Fine, I'll try. Oh, it won't open. Not meant to be. Don't worry, I have something that can help you. Yeah? I'll hit you with the hammer. Oh, come on, I was joking. Here, I opened the mussel. Yeah! Look, it's a real pearl. I'm rich. What? A pearl? Give it to me. I want that. It's mine. Don't touch. Oh, I think I lost it. Now it's mine.
Oh!
Well, whatever. You can find more delicious and yummy challenges on DaRaDa. Stay with us. You won't regret it. It'll be cool.